Question 5, 6, and 7, the instructions are convert the following quadratic equations into an equivalent standard form. So standard form, class, if you remember this it's basically a quadratic that is simplified and has no parentheses. So it's going to be ax squared plus bx plus c. And sometimes there's no b term and sometimes there's no c term. So it doesn't always have to be all three of these terms, but let's take a look and see what this looks like. So now they give us f of x equals x plus 3 times x plus 5. Now class, there's a number of ways we learn to actually multiply binomials. I think the easiest way for many of you is just to go right back to the area model. Pretty easy to do. In this case, we actually have the side lengths already given to us. So we're going to write those in here, x plus 3 and x plus 5. Notice, class, this area model is pretty usable in lots of different ways. We've been finding the sides based on the areas. Now we're going to find the areas based on the sides. Let's go ahead and wrap this up then. Well, let's do our length times width. X times x gets us our upper left. 3 times x gets us our upper right, 3x. X times 5 gets us our lower left, 5x. And 5 times 3 gets us our lower right, which is 15. And now you're going to rewrite this equation, and all you have to do is write it out so that it's looking at the area. So I'm going to go ahead and write f of x equals, and I'm going to do this all in one shot, class, because I know we've got an x squared here, and we've got a 15 at the end. These two values here, the upper right and the lower left, those are like terms. They both have the same variable with the same exponent of 1. X to the first, x to the first. We can combine those together. So 5x's plus 3x's is 8x's. And there is your standard form for question number 5.